In a previous video, we discussed about straight holders for pointed pen calligraphy. If you haven't watched that video, the link is in the I button. You can check that out as well. And in the second part of the video, we are going to discuss about oblique holders being used for pointed pen calligraphy.
Hi, I'm Neha from Art and Stuff, a calligraphy and mandala artist. I am a content creator, an art educator, and a small business owner. I make videos on art, calligraphy, mandala, digital art, DIYs, and much more. So if you're an artist or want to become one, consider subscribing to my channel and press the bell icon to get notified whenever I post a video.
In this video, we are going to discuss about oblique holders for pointed pen calligraphy. So the word oblique means at an angle. So these holders are at an angle. If you can see, this one is with flange plastic oblique holder, however this one is without flange plastic oblique holder. So this is why these are known as oblique, because the nib insertion point is at an angle. If you can see, if this is straight, so this is at an angle. So because of their angle and oblique nature, these holders are best for modern calligraphy if you are preferring to keeping all your letters at a certain angle, basically cursive modern calligraphy or cursive writing. And these are best and the most suitable for all types of traditional scripts like copper plate, Spencerian, wherein you are supposed to keep all your letters at a certain angle. For example, in copper plate script, we are supposed to place all our letters at a 55 degree or a 45 degree angle. So these holders help us to keep that angle in consistency. This is the standard oblique holder which is available on Amazon, Flipkart, and maybe in some local stationery shops. But just like the straight holder, this one cannot fit all the nibs that are available in the market. So if you want to fit in any other nib, this might not be possible with this oblique holder, because just like this straight holder, this oblique holder cannot fit all the nibs that are available in the market. Only some of the standard nibs like the G nibs, like Nico G or Zebra G or Tachikawa G, or some few of the Hunt nibs or the standard nibs. So if your nib is smaller than the Hunt or the Nico G nibs, then this will not be the one that you are looking for. Also, this one right here is set at a particular angle, so you might not feel comfortable while writing with this one, as you might need to, for example, bend your hand as well at a certain angle to get that particular angle that you're. This oblique holder right here is my absolute favorite, and I guess almost every calligrapher's favorite, because this is not too expensive, and this is like like a one holder that you can own for all your different types and nibs for pointed pen calligraphy. So this one is a plastic holder but with a flange. So this portion right here is known as a metal flange, which is removable. So this is basically your 2-in-1 holder, wherein this can work as a straight holder just like this one. So this can work as a straight holder. So if you want to have a certain angle and you don't need this plastic flange, you can just remove it and insert your nib right here, and this will become your straight holder. And if you want to have a certain angle, then you can just insert the flange right here. We have a space right here, so we'll just insert the flange in this way, and this becomes your oblique holder. So this basically is your nib insertion point, just like this holder. Now the best part about this holder is this flange, because first of all it is removable. So this becomes your straight holder and an oblique holder anytime you are into pointed pen calligraphy. And this flange can fit any nib that is available in the market. So if your nib is too wide and you think that this is not fitting the nib, so you can just take a pliers, or even using your hand, you can just just bend it and adjust the width of the flange and insert your nib. And same goes with the smaller nibs as well, because there are many nibs that are smaller in size. So you can just insert your nib right here and push it in this way, push it inside using a pliers or your hand, and that would fit your nib. If you are a person who does not want to invest in holders more often and you like to experiment with nibs, so you can just buy this one and you can use it as a straight holder, as an oblique holder, for your modern style pointed pen calligraphy, for your traditional scripts like copper plates, Spencerian and whatnot. Now in oblique holders I only have these two because this one works perfectly fine for me and I don't want to invest more in holders. But just like we have a few straight holders, like this one is the wooden matte one, this one is the polished one, so we also have a huge variety of oblique holders with or without flange out there. You can get them from Amazon, Flipkart, from stationery stores, from small businesses that are dealing with holders. So there are many holders. You can have wooden holders, you can have glass holders, crystal holders and whatnot. So the material being used in the holder makes the holder lighter or heavier. For example, this one is the lightest holder because it's made of plastic and it is durable as well. But if you are someone whose hands are sweaty and you don't prefer plastic while writing, you can go for such holders which have a wooden body, matte texture. And if you are into, if you want to invest in different holders, you can also get some polished wooden ones or the natural wood ones or crystal or glass ones as well. So which holder you like the most, oblique or straight, or the oblique with the flange or without the flange, the wooden holder, which one is your favorite? Please let me know in the comments.